Koh Tao, a small island in Thailand, is a tropical paradise. Nestled in the Gulf of Thailand, this gem is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and vibrant marine life. The island's name, which translates to Turtle Island, is a nod to the sea turtles that inhabit its waters. With its lush green hills and turquoise waters, Koh Tao is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. It's known for its beautiful beaches and clear blue waters. The pristine shorelines are perfect for sunbathing, swimming and relaxing. The island's beaches are some of the most picturesque in the world, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're looking to unwind on the soft sands or take a dip in the refreshing waters, Koh Tao's beaches have something for everyone. But beneath the surface lies a hidden world of wonder. The underwater landscape of Koh Tao is nothing short of spectacular. From vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life to mysterious underwater caves waiting to be explored, the island offers a unique and mesmerizing experience for divers and snorkelers. The crystal-clear waters provide excellent visibility, making it easy to discover the hidden treasures of the deep. Koh Tao is a world-renowned destination for scuba diving and snorkeling. The island boasts numerous dive sites, each offering a unique underwater adventure. From shallow coral gardens, perfect for beginners, to deeper, more challenging sites for experienced divers, there's something for everyone. Dive schools and instructors are readily available, providing training and guidance to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a curious beginner, Koh Tao has something for everyone. The island's dive centers cater to all skill levels, offering courses and guided tours to help you make the most of your underwater adventure. Even if you've never dived before, Koh Tao is the perfect place to start. The warm, clear waters and abundant marine life make it an ideal location for learning and exploring. The island offers a chance to explore vibrant coral reefs, encounter fascinating marine life, and witness the incredible biodiversity of the underwater world. From colorful tropical fish to majestic sea turtles, the marine life in Koh Tao is truly captivating. The coral reefs are home to a diverse array of species, making every dive a unique and exciting experience and create unforgettable underwater memories. Capture the beauty of the underwater world with your camera, swim alongside sea turtles, and dive down to explore the vibrant coral reefs. Every moment spent underwater in Koh Tao is an opportunity to create lasting memories and experience the magic of the ocean. Get ready to dive into an unforgettable adventure in Koh Tao's underwater paradise. Whether you're exploring the depths of the ocean or simply enjoying the island's natural beauty, Koh Tao promises an experience like no other. So pack your bags, grab your snorkel or scuba gear, and get ready to discover the wonders of this tropical paradise. Koh Tao boasts a variety of dive sites, each offering a unique underwater adventure. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, there's something for everyone. The island's crystal-clear waters and vibrant marine life make it a diver's paradise. Each dive site has its own unique charm and characteristics. For those seeking thrilling underwater landscapes, Chumphon Pinnacle is a must-visit. This site is famous for its towering underwater mountain, which is teeming with life, including schools of barracuda and the occasional whale shark. The visibility here is often excellent, making it a favorite among underwater photographers. Chumphon Pinnacle is not just about the big fish. The coral formations here are equally impressive. Divers can explore the nooks and crannies of the pinnacle, discovering a variety of smaller marine creatures. The site is also known for its strong currents, which can add an extra layer of excitement to the dive. Another popular spot is Sail Rock, a submerged pinnacle rising from the depths. This site is renowned for its abundance of marine life, from giant groupers to graceful manta rays. The rock itself is covered in colorful corals and sponges, providing a stunning backdrop for underwater photography. Sail Rock is also famous for its chimney, a vertical swim-through that starts at around 18 meters and exits at 6 meters. This feature adds an element of adventure to the dive, as divers can ascend through the chimney, surrounded by schools of fish. The site is suitable for divers of all levels, making it a popular choice for dive schools and guided tours. For wreck enthusiasts, the HTMS Satakut, a deliberately sunk Navy ship, offers an eerie yet captivating diving experience. The wreck lies at a depth of 30 meters and is home to a variety of marine life, including moray eels, barracudas, and even the occasional turtle. Divers can explore the ship's interior, navigating through its corridors and rooms, making it a thrilling dive for those interested in underwater history. Koh Tao is not just for divers. Snorkelers are in for a treat too. The island is fringed by shallow coral reefs, easily accessible from the shore. One such spot is Mango Bay, known for its calm waters and abundance of colorful fish. Japanese Gardens, named for its resemblance to a Zen garden, is another excellent snorkeling location. Here you can glide through crystal clear waters, marveling at the intricate coral formations and the myriad of fish that call them home. Koh Tao's waters are teeming with a diverse array of marine life. Divers and snorkelers can expect to encounter an abundance of colorful reef fish, such as parrotfish, angelfish, and butterfly fish. Keep an eye out for graceful sea turtles, often spotted gliding through the reefs. Lucky visitors might even encounter larger pelagic creatures, including majestic whale sharks, playful dolphins, and elusive reef sharks. The variety and abundance of marine life make Koh Tao a truly remarkable underwater paradise. Section 5: First Time Diving In. A beginner's guide to Koh Tao's underwater world. Koh Tao is renowned as a world-class destination for learning to scuba dive. Numerous reputable dive schools offer a range of courses for beginners, from introductory dives to full Pair D certifications. These courses provide comprehensive instruction, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident underwater. With experienced instructors and calm, clear waters, Koh Tao provides an ideal environment to embark on your diving journey. Section 6: Safety First. Essential tips for a secure and enjoyable dive. While diving is an exhilarating experience, safety should always be the top priority. Before diving, ensure you are medically fit to dive and have the necessary certifications. Always dive with a buddy and follow the instructions of your dive guide. Check your equipment thoroughly before each dive and be aware of your air consumption and depth limits. By adhering to safety guidelines, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable diving experience. So Section 7: When to go with the flow. The best season to experience Koh Tao's underwater wonderland. Koh Tao can be enjoyed year-round, offering a unique experience in every season. However, the best time for diving and snorkeling is during the dry season, which typically runs from March to September. During these months, the island transforms into a diver's paradise. The weather is predominantly sunny, the seas are calm, and the visibility underwater is at its peak. This means you can expect crystal-clear views of the vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. However, even during the wet season, from October to February, diving is still possible. The island takes on a different charm with fewer tourists. You might encounter fewer crowds, making it a more serene and intimate experience. The water temperature remains pleasant year-round, which is a significant advantage for divers and snorkelers. Averaging around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius or 82 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, the warm waters ensure a comfortable dive. This consistent temperature makes Koh Tao an ideal destination for underwater activities regardless of the season. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, the island offers something for everyone. From the bustling marine life during the dry season to the tranquil, less crowded waters of the wet season, Koh Tao's underwater world is always ready to be explored. So pack your gear, plan your trip and dive into the enchanting waters of Koh Tao. The adventure awaits. Section 8: Respecting Paradise. Sustainable tourism tips for preserving Koh Tao's beauty. As visitors to this underwater paradise, it's crucial to minimize our impact and protect its fragile ecosystem. Avoid touching or standing on coral reefs, as this can cause damage. Use reef-safe sunscreen to avoid polluting the water. Choose dive operators that prioritize sustainable practices such as mooring buoys instead of anchoring on reefs. By being responsible tourists, we can help preserve Koh Tao's beauty for generations to come. Section 9: Conclusion. Embark on your own Koh Tao adventure. From exhilarating dives to mesmerizing snorkeling adventures, Koh Tao offers an unforgettable underwater experience for all. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant coral reefs, the diverse marine life, or the thrill of exploring submerged wrecks, Koh Tao has something to captivate every underwater enthusiast. So pack your bags, grab your swimsuit, and get ready to discover the wonders of Koh Tao's underwater paradise.